Breaking news from Miyazaki Airport in southwestern Japan, where an undiscovered World War II bomb exploded around 8 a.m. local time on October 2, 2024. The bomb, which had been buried for around 80 years, left a 7-meter-wide crater on the taxiway. Fortunately, there were no injuries or damage to any aircraft, but the explosion did cause the cancellation of over 80 flights. Miyazaki Airport was used as a naval base during World War II, making it a frequent target for Allied bombing campaigns. This particular bomb, weighing 227 kilograms, is believed to be from that period. While the cause of the explosion is still under investigation, it's worth noting that a commercial aircraft had been taxiing on that same spot only minutes before. Japan's Ground Self-Defense Force has investigated the site, and officials have confirmed there's no further danger. Repairs are expected to be completed by tomorrow morning. This incident serves as a reminder that unexploded ordnance from World War II is still being discovered across Japan. In fact, bomb disposal teams handled over 2,000 similar cases just last year. Thanks for watching. If you like this content and would like to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.